Hello children, how are you? We teachers are all awaiting for your arrival. Are you listening to your virtual classes? Hope all are responding well. In the last class, Shubha teacher taught you about Raja's home and its surrounding. Shall I ask some question? Okay. Name some water birds in the tank. Kingfisher, stork, etc. Which are the animals that we see around his house? Correct. Cow, bull, mongoose, jackal, etc. Next, why grandfather didn't allow Raja to play outside with the other children? Because grandfather believed that Raja would be spoiled. Okay children? What about your grandparents children? They too scold you like this. Shall we move on to the next part of the story? Making a shower. It was an evening after heavy rain. Grandfather was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. So one day, evening, after a heavy rain, he saw his grandfather picking jasmine flowers from a jasmine bush. The leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. I knew I could make the rain if I shook the tree, and grandfather and I would get a good shower. I liked bathing in the rain, but he might not like it, but it would be a great fun. Raja knew that if he shook the tree, which were full of raindrops, would fall down like a shower. Shower, that is water falling on our heads while taking a bath as soon as we open the tap. So Raja liked to get wet in the rain, but his grandfather does not like. But Raja thought it will be a fun. So I quietly went near the sandalwood tree and shook it with all my strength. All my strength meaning all my power. That is Raja's power. There was a heavy shower and both grandfather and I were soaked. Soaked means become wet. I loved it, but grandfather did not. So children, what Raja did? He quietly went near the sandalwood tree and shook it with full power. So automatically what will happen? There was a heavy shower of raindrops. Both were completely wet. That is soaked. That's the word we studied. They both were completely soaked. Because of this raindrops, Raja enjoyed this, but his grandfather did not. He got angry. All of you, just listen to the lines when I am reading. There was a heavy shower and both grandfather and I were soaked. I loved it, but grandfather did not. He turned to me with an angry look. I was sure he would catch me and beat me. So I ran. He ran after me. I ran fast, but he ran faster. He had almost caught me when he stumbled and fell. So children, Raja enjoyed this, but his grandfather did not. He stared at him. Raja was sure that his grandfather would beat him for his naughty behavior. Yes children? So Raja ran away from that place. His grandfather also ran behind him. Okay, children? But what happened at that moment? But he could not catch Raja. Stumbled meaning tadanya vizhuga. Okay, children? So what happened? His grandfather also ran behind him as fast not catch Raja because he stumbled and fell down. Next 3 sentences. I ran away to the paddy field and hid myself there. What is the meaning for hid, children? H-I-D, hid. It's the past tense of hide. H-I-D, hide. Past tense, H-I-D, hid. Okay, children? So, what Raja did? He hid himself under a paddy field. So, I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson when I came back home. So, children, what Raja did? Raja hid himself in the paddy field. He heard his grandfather saying that he will teach him a lesson. Okay, children? I hope you have understood the paras taken. Read the portion taken and do the assignments properly. I'll send it through WhatsApp. Okay, children? Bye.